Hello everyone, welcome to our math channel, Math Bridges, Fun with Math. In this video, we are going to learn how to write the tables from 1 to 100 in a very fast way. I know you all are very familiar to 11 table. You can recite and also you can write it in a very easy way. If somebody is asking you how much is 63 5s are, 28 9s are, 36 4s are, will take you a while to answer that. So let's see how to write the tables in a very super fast way. Multiplication tables trick. This is case 1. In this we will be seeing the examples in which the tens place will be having the digit as 1. It may be 13, 17, 18, 19, 14. Tens place will be 1. Will be the case 1. So 13 eights are. How do we do this? First step, you multiply 3 eights are. We all know 3 eights are is 24. In order to differentiate ones place, I have taken yellow color and tens place in white color. So just exactly under 8, you can write the ones place digit 4. To 8, you add the number 2. Whatever we are having in 24, the tens digit place, the 2 you add it to 8. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So 13 eights are, it is 104. Let's see one more example. 14 eights are. First step, 4 eights are. We all know 4 eights are is 32. So just exactly under 8, you write the ones place digit 2. And to 8, we have to add the tens place digit 3. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So 14 eights are, it is 112. Now, we will find the product of 18 into 7. First step, multiply 8 into 7. 8 sevens are, it is 56. Just exactly below 7, you write 6. The ones place digit which we got it in the answer. Now, to 7, you add the tens place digit over here. That is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. So, the product of 18 and 7 is 126. In the same way, let's see one more example. Now, let's multiply 19 5s are. First step, 9 5s are, it is 45. So, we'll take only the ones place one. Just exactly below 5, you can write 5. In 45, we are writing only the ones place one. Now, the tens place, how much is there? 4. Now, add this 4 to 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So, 19 5s are, it is 95. Now, let's multiply 16 8s are. Same process. 6 8s are 48. So, exactly under 8, I am writing the ones place digit here. This 8. To the 8, you add 4, which is in tens place. 8 plus 4 is 12. So, 16 eights are, it is 128. Now, it's case 2. Till now, we have seen in case 1 multiplying only with 2-digit number where the tens place is 1. It means 16 into something, 19 into something, 18 into 5, 14 into 6. Means in tens place 1 is there. Now, let's see when in tens place other than 1 is there. It may be 2 or any number till 100 we are considering. So, let's see 23 into 6. This method a little different. First step, 2 6 are. You multiply this 2 and write the answer as 12. Just besides 12, you write it as 0. Now, second step, multiply this 2. 3 6 is how much? 18 you write. Now, you add both these numbers. 120 plus 18 is 138. It will be very easy. Only the 2-digit number where in the tens place you are having other than 1 the number. At that time, we have to follow this method. Let's check with one more example for case 2. 57 into 7. First step, 5 into 7, it is 35. You write 35 and just beside 35, you take it as 0. Write it as 0, so it becomes 350. Next step, 7 sevens are. It is 49. Now, you add both these numbers, 350 plus 49. So, it will be 399. 57 into 7 is 399. Here itself, you can add it mentally. See, 0 plus 9, 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. And 3, as it is, we'll be writing here. Now, 47 into 6. First step, multiply 4 into 6. That means, what is there in the tens place and the digit by which you are multiplying. 4 6 are 24. So, beside 24, you write it as 0. So, it will be 240. And the next step is 6 sevens are. It is 42. Now, you add both these numbers. it will be 282. So the product of 47 into 6 is 282. Let's check with one more example. Like this, you can multiply till 100, whatever the digits may be. 89 into 4. You observe we are multiplying with a single digit number. So first step, 8 into 4, it is 32. So just beside 32, write it as 0. Now you multiply 9 into 4, 9 4s are 36. You add these two numbers, 320 plus 36. What will be the answer? It is 356. So the product of 89 into 4 is 356. Now 73 into 7. First step, 7 7s are 49. Now next step, write 0 just beside this number. Next, 3 7s it is 21. Add both these numbers. 490 plus 21. It is 511. So the product of 73 and 7 is 511. If you can see like this, we can multiply till 100. Now 98 into 5. First step, 9 5s are 45. So write 0 over here. Just beside that number, it becomes 450. Next step, 5 8s are or 8 5s are, it is 40. Add both these numbers, 450 plus 40. It is 490. So the product of 98 and 5 is 490. Hope it's very easy. Now let's check with some examples. 23 into 7. You should observe here I have taken 2 3. 2 is in tens place. So it is more than 1. So the second case it is. Case 2 we are following. So first step. Next this one. So just you can give it a try. 2 into 7 it is 14. So write 0 just beside that number. And then 3 into 7 you can do. 3 7s it is 21. Add both these numbers. So 161 is the product. Next one, 87 into 9. This is also case 2. So first step, 8 9s are 72 you write. 0 beside that number. Next step, 7 9s are. 7 9s are is 63. Add both these numbers. So 783 is the product of 87 and 9. Similarly, 64 into 6. This complete mind calculation, you can do it in a very easy way. By practice, you can get it. First step, 6 6 are 36. Write 0 beside that number. Next, 4 6 are. 4 6 are is 24. Add 24 to this 360. So the total will be 384 is the product. 78 into 7, same method. First step, 7 7s are 49. Write 0 beside that number. Now 7 8s are is 56. Add both these numbers. It will be 546. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Math Bridges, Fun with Math. Meet you all in the next video.